girl, is your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, the house of beauty. So guys, in today's video I'm going to make a quick one. I want to make a body scrub. Yeah guys, I want to make a body scrub to exfoliate the skin. Yeah guys, this body scrub is meant to exfoliate your skin so that any type of skincare that you're using, they are going to work fast and they are going to work quick. So guys, if you're using any type of skincare product on your skin and you're not noticing any change on your skin, you always want to exfoliate your skin, because sometimes our skin might be so cracked, our skin might be so dirty. The dead skin cell on our skin must have been dead, so we always want to exfoliate so that we can have a new skin cell, like like a baby skin. That is it guys, like a baby skin, so that any type of skincare products that you will be using, they will be working fast and they will be working well. And please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, in here we do organic stuff. We take care of our skin, we take care of our hair, we do makeup, tutorial, dressing code, and also vlogs. So guys, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way that you're going to get every of my upload. And like this video, share this video with your friends, and leave your comment below. I love you. Okay beauties, let me walk you through my recipe. I'm using shea butter and emulsifying oils. I'm going to leave my measurement below my description box. So check out my description box for the measurement guys. And I will be using cinnamon powder. Of course, I'm going to add preservative to it because I'm adding my juice. And this is my baking soda for cleansing. And I will be adding my licorice powder. And also I'm going to add my glycerin for moisturizing. And I also have my honey also for moisturizing and for salting. So guys, make sure to use bio. And this is my lemon zest. This is very good to exfoliate your skin. And I'm also going to use my orange peel powder. So you can also use lemon peel powder. So guys, I will be using my harmful oil. This is also organic, so you can use any oil of your choice. And I will be adding my turmeric powder. So guys, I will be using my brown sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use your coffee, you can use any good exfoliator that you know. So this brown sugar is very good. I love this, and I've been using this for a very long time. This is derived from sugarcane, and it is unrefined brown sugar. Yeah guys, this is unrefined brown sugar derived from sugarcane. But you can also use white sugar, and some people do use salt. I've not tried that before, but I don't want to try it because I have a very dried skin, so I think salt will not be good on my skin. So guys, I'm going to melt my oil and my wax. Yeah guys, I'm going to melt my oil and my wax, and after melting my oil and my wax, then we're going to start working. So guys, I'm aiming for 1 kilo. Yeah guys, I'm aiming for 1 kilo. So, and both of these sugars are 250 grams, so I'm going to be using both of them, which is going to give me 500 grams, but I'm aiming for 1 kilo. So by the time I add my other stuff to it, my oils, my honey, by the time I finish adding my other stuff to it, so I believe that I'm going to get my 1 kilo of my body scrub. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I love you all, and please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button. And also like this video. Please guys, just give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and leave your comment below my comment section. Ask me any question and boom, I'm going to reply back. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. Okay, beauties, my scrub is ready, and I'm just going to transfer this into my container. And please make sure to use a good and clean container, and make sure to exfoliate your skin 3 times in a week. And it's best to exfoliate your skin at night because of the orange peel powder, because of the lemon zest, and because of the lemon juice. So it's good to exfoliate at night 3 times in a week, and this is going to help to take out those dead skin cells from your body. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to take out those cracked skin cells from your body. Thank you guys for watching, and please make sure to subscribe. I love you all, and see you soon in my other next video. Bye.